Hello and welcome back. Are you ready to create multiple streams of income in your chocolate business? In today's video, I'm excited to share 10 ready-made strategies and perhaps even more that can help you establish diverse income sources and potentially double your earnings in the next 6 months to 1 year. If you commit to applying everything I'm going to show you today, success is within your reach. We all aspire to become millionaires, don't we? Yet many of us have been conditioned to believe that holding a job means we can't start a business or we should only focus to one business at a time. But let us look at some of the billionaires and millionaires in our country. Adani, Dhamani, Yusuf Ali, they all operate multiple businesses. I know what you're thinking. You are thinking, Kavita, they are wealthy and have big teams to manage their businesses. Okay, let me share some examples of individuals who started small and operate with very small teams. Ankur Wariko, Pooja Puneet, Siddharth Rajshekar, Gopal Krishnan, Mitesh and Indu Khatri, Suresh Radhakrishnan, Saheli. How many more names do you want? The list can go on and on. Each of them has successfully built more than one stream of income. So, why should you limit yourself? There is no reason you can't have multiple income streams and potentially earn lakhs or even crores. Join me in exploring these income sources today and let us unlock your financial potential together. So, welcome to today's video on creating multiple sources of income. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 sources of income ideas that you can use, implement it to help establish multiple sources of income and potentially double or triple your earnings in just 6 months to 1 year. If you are committed to applying these insights I shared today, you are in for an exciting journey. So stick around until the end. I'll have some fantastic tips that will help you increase your income while working from home. So, are you ready? Let us get started. Before that, quickly let me introduce myself. I'm Kavita Rajiv Kumar, a business growth coach. And today I'm going to dive into the opportunities of multiple income sources in chocolate business. So let us start. Many people struggle to increase their earnings due to limiting beliefs which they have gained from childhood. We often hear that making money is hard, financial growth requires years of education and experience, and that you must stick to conventional career paths like engineers or doctors or chartered accountants. Only they can, make a lot of money. That is absolutely nothing wrong with having multiple income streams. We all deserve to be wealth magnates. You can have uh, absolutely make million just like the countless number of other people, and it is achievable. In India, there are everyday individuals like Devrat, Sachin Rao, Rose George, Supriya Jain, Niharika, and so many others who are earning multiple lakhs every month by leveraging diverse income streams. First and foremost, open your mind to the abundance that universe has in store for you. We will talk about this mindset shift in some other episode, but for now, let us look at the options what you have in setting up multiple sources of income. I personally have 5 sources of income. So, do you really have multiple sources of income in your business? That is the first question. The second question is, if you do not have, Are you ready? Because you can have 4 to 5 sources of income within 10 months if you are ready. So here we go with the list of multiple sources of income ideas. Idea number one, offer online chocolate making courses. For example, Chocolate Academy offers online courses and workshops where chocolate enthusiasts and beginners can learn from industry experts. They charge for these courses, generating a steady income stream. Idea number two, create a subscription box service. For example, the company Choco Curb provides a monthly subscription box that features unique chocolates from various um, artisans. They they get subscribers, and these subscribers receive curated selections each month, and this ensures consistent income for Choco Curb. Idea number three, sell chocolate recipes as ebooks. Tessa Arias, a well-known food blogger, created an ebook titled Chocolate Secrets, filled with her best chocolate recipes, and her followers purchased the book, contributing to her passive income. Idea number four is affiliate marketing for chocolate equipments and ingredients and accessories. For example, Sugar Hero, a baking and dessert blog, uses affiliate links to recommend kitchen tools and chocolate making ingredients, and they earn a decent commission on sales generated through their blog. You can also think something like that. Idea number five is private label your chocolates. What is private labeling? You allow other businesses to create chocolate brands in their name. You create chocolates for other companies. For example, Choco Direct creates allows businesses to create their own chocolate brand using their products. So many small businesses partner with them to sell private labeled chocolates, expanding their offering. You can also think of like that. Idea number six is offer chocolate business coaching. For example, Brittany Baker of Baking with Brittany, she offers coaching for aspiring bakers and chocolate makers and provides online courses and mentorship, generating passive income through recorded sessions. Idea number seven is create do-it-yourself chocolate kits. The Coco and Co company sells DIY chocolate making kits that include all necessary ingredients and instructions, and customers enjoy creating chocolates at home, providing a steady income for the company. Idea number eight is you can sell branded merchandise. For example, Vosges Hot Chocolate offers branded merchandise like mugs and apparels alongside their gourmet chocolates, generating additional revenue through their online shop. Idea number nine, license your brand to other chocolate makers. This is exactly uh, what is Toblerone doing. They license their brand to various companies for different products and markets. And this strategy has allowed them to expand their reach and revenue without any significant production efforts. Item number 10 is host virtual chocolate tasting events. For example, Chocola Tasting hosts a virtual chocolate tasting experience where participants receive curated chocolate boxes. They charge for the events and create a unique and profitable experience. So these were the 10 ideas for generating multiple streams of income in your chocolate business. Now, you might be thinking, why is it easy to make multiple sources of income in India? See, it is not difficult. I again repeat, creating multiple sources of income in your chocolate business in India is not difficult because there are several factors that support this. Factor number one is India has a population of over 1.5 billion, creating a vast consumer base. And this massive market offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs to cater to different needs and preferences. Secondly, the expanding middle class in India is driving demand for various products and services, right from luxury items to basic necessities. And entrepreneurs can tap into this growing market segment by offering innovative solutions. Thirdly, with increasing internet penetration and smartphone usage, the digital landscape in India is booming. This shift helps businesses to reach wider audiences through online platforms, making it easier to establish multiple income sources. Fourthly, India has a strong culture of entrepreneurship. And with many individuals eager to start their own businesses, this spirit is only increasing a support and helping grow a supportive environment for new ventures. And fifthly, the market is so diverse in our country that the diverse demographics in India is very helpful in catering to different age groups, cultures, and income levels for niche markets. Entrepreneurs can identify the specific needs and create tailored products or services for each of these niche market, diversifying your income. Sixthly, the Indian government has launched various initiatives to promote entrepreneurship, such as Startup India and Make in India, and more. These programs provide resources, funding, mentorship to business owners, making it easier to start and grow your business. Seventhly, with a wealth of local resources and growing manufacturing sector, entrepreneurs can source materials and labor at competitive price. So this affordability makes it easier for you to launch multiple income generating businesses. Eighthly, the rise of gig economy is allowing individuals to explore multiple income streams alongside traditional jobs or alongside their existing business. People can easily engage in online work, consulting, or part time business without sacrificing your full time employment. And chocolate business is one such business which you can do it part time or full time or as a side hustle without sacrificing your existing job. Ninth point is that the e-commerce is rapidly growing in India. And this is providing entrepreneurs with a platform to reach consumers without needing a physical store. See, if you have to open a physical store, that is much costlier, right? You need to acquire a space, then do the interior, pay the rent and other expenses, and so on and so forth. Whereas selling products online is very easy. You don't require a store. The investment is very, very minuscule, and it is easy to scale and diversify. Lastly, in India, there is a growing acceptance of side hustles and multiple income streams. and businesses as a means to achieve financial stability. So I consider this a cultural shift. This cultural shift is encouraging individuals to explore diverse business opportunities. And this is the right time to jump in and start your own chocolate business, whether it is full time, part time, whether you want to do it as online, offline, you want to do it in the retail model or wholesale model, a manufacturing unit. There are more than 45 business models that you can consider. So, what I have to tell you is it is high time to stop making excuses and start investing in yourself. You commit to your growth and start the journey towards financial freedom. See, learning multiple money making skills is not an option today. It is a necessity in today's fast paced world. Whether it is mastering digital marketing or exploring e-commerce or developing your cooking skills, each new skill you acquire will help you increase your income level. So set up multiple income streams in your chocolate business to create a stable financial future. Moreover, diversifying your income streams will not only improve your financial security but also allow you to uh, pursue your passion without fear of instability. So take the leap today, elevate your abundance frequency by prioritizing your personal and professional development. Start exploring the opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive. Your future self will thank you. So, again, coming back to my question, are you ready? Let me know in the comments what you plan to start with and how you will elevate your income once you establish multiple sources of revenue. If you need help in establishing multiple sources of income in your chocolate business, also you can comment or DM or write to us in the email. Before we end, do I'm having two requests. Share this video to your friend who need help with making multiple sources of income. And secondly, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when the next video is released. Thank you. Stay marvelous.